Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the essentials. Make sure your VU TV reports Anyview cast support and is up to date. Once done, connect your phone and the TV to the same Wi-Fi network. This matters because devices must be visible to each other on the same subnet. Now, enable Anyview Cast in the TV's input or network settings and open the casting option on your phone. Doing these steps first gets you into the active pairing phase quickly, so you can connect without delay. Once you see your VU TV in the phone's cast list, tap it and wait for the TV to display a pairing prompt. Accept it. If a PIN appears, enter it on your phone to confirm the secure connection. Next, adjust resolution and orientation in the casting app so video uses the correct aspect ratio. This prevents black bars or stretching. Also make sure you grant permissions for media and screen sharing, because without them, audio or screen capture may be blocked. To finish, test playback and confirm audio sync. If sound lags, try pausing briefly then resuming. Make sure other devices aren't saturating the Wi-Fi. Heavy downloads cause stutter. If the connection drops, move the router closer or switch the TV to wired Ethernet for stability. As a key troubleshooting tip, check for a visible error code on the TV and reboot the TV and phone before factory resetting Anyview Cast. Resetting is a last resort and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.